If you're juggling YouTube scripts, thumbnails, edits, and uploads, it's time to get organized. Trello is a free, visual project board that's perfect for managing your entire YouTube content calendar. Before we get into the setup, like this video and subscribe, we're covering practical creator tools that save you time. Step 1. Set up your board. Go to Trello.com and create a free account. Make a board called YouTube Content Plan. Now create lists titled Ideas, Scripting, Filming, Editing, Scheduled, Published. Each card on the board represents a video. Step 2. Add details to each card. Click on a card and fill in title, video idea, description, brief outline, due date, labels like tutorial, vlog, short. You can even add checklists for script done, thumbnail done, etc. Step 3. Drag cards as you progress. As you move through each stage of production, just drag the card from one list to the next. It gives you a visual pipeline so nothing gets forgotten. If that helped you set up a smooth content pipeline, like this video and hit subscribe. More planning tools coming soon. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.